suppose you need to read a text and you don't get it the first time. So, like, you're reading it, okay, I don't get it. Let me go back. And then you still don't get it. Do you read again and again and again forever? Will it even help you to read once more? Look, rereading is considered a passive learning process in the learning pyramid. So, what really happens is that your brain is sort of in autopilot. And that's why the more active the process, the learning process, the more you're actually going to learn. So, you want to tend towards things that are more active. And rereading is certainly not one of them. So, why and when would you reread a text? Never? Well, kind of. Look, there are two scenarios where it could actually be good to reread a text. One, if you didn't understand a very specific passage, that one paragraph, because it was actually too complicated, and you go back and you're like, okay, let me fully focus on this one thing. And the other one is if you've seen that material a long time ago and it's almost as if you're seeing it for the first time. So then it would actually be sort of more like reading and not really rereading. Now, if you really studied the material the first time you saw it and now you're just rereading, that may actually have some effects. But if you didn't really study the first time, then, well. And that's because when you really studied it, now you're just bringing back all of those memories from the back of your mind up to the present. So that's on rereading and rereading and again 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 and again.